Feeling bloated, sluggish, or like your digestion just isn't working the way it used to, then this 24-hour fast could be the one for you. In this video, I'm going to explain how to do a 24-hour fast safely and effectively and explain what's happening inside your body during this fast. I'm Sarah Knight, an accredited nutrition coach and certified fasting coach, helping midlife women reset their metabolism and hormones through a 360 approach to health, blending fasting, balanced nutrition, emotional and spirituality. I help women like yourselves understand what's really happening inside your body so you can work with your hormones, not against them, and finally feel at home in your body. I ask you to be curious about your body and that you make informed choices for your own health, and always check with your healthcare professional if you have a medical condition or are taking medication. A friend recently asked me, which fast would help me feel less bloated? I suggested she try the 24-hour fast. We created a simple plan and a little accountability. So beneficial on those longer fasts. Community too, they're so supportive. Normally, she'd reach the gum by midday. This is not recommended during a fast, so she didn't. And as the fast went on, she found she wasn't reaching for it or missing it as much as she thought. As the hours ticked by, her cravings eased. Her mind felt calmer. And by the afternoon, she said, "This is easier than I thought." By the time she broke her fast, that was the next day, she felt lighter, more in tune with her body than she had done in years. That's what this fast does. It resets your gut and your rhythm. What's happening inside your body? Well, at about 12 to 14 hours, your insulin levels drop and your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat for energy. From around 17 hours, autophagy begins, which is your body's natural cleanup phase. It starts to clear out damaged cells and calms inflammation. At about 24 hours, your body has worked on repairing your gut lining and rebalancing your microbiome. Your digestion calms, your energy steadies, and you start to feel clearer and lighter. The result? Less bloating, more energy, and a calmer, more balanced mood. This is the point where your gut and hormones start working with each other again. Your fast basics to get the best results. Drink only water. You can have black coffee and or herbal teas. No flavors, gums or sweeteners. They interrupt the repair. Have around 2 litres of water across the day. Add a pinch of Celtic sea salt every few glasses to stay hydrated and to keep your minerals inside your body balanced. Or if you prefer, or if you feel it's required, a dedicated mineral replacement or electrolyte. But do look at the ingredients, as many of them contain sugars. Move gently, walk, stretch, or breathe. Do some breath work. This is a restorative window, not a push. How to do the 24-hour fast, step by step. Step 1. Prepare the day before. Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and a range of veggies. Avoid processed foods and sugar to help you ease into the fast. Step 2. Start your fast. My guidance here is starting in the evening. However, you can start it at any point during the day that suits you. The same steps apply here. Finish dinner around 5 or 6 p.m. Make it protein rich with healthy fats and veggies. This type of meal will steady your blood sugar overnight. Step 3. Hydrate and rest. Sleep does half the work, so maximize this time. Dim the lights earlier, at least 2 hours before sleep, and switch off the screens too, to allow melatonin to come in at its maximum, which is your sleep hormone, and then let your body settle and drift into sleep. Step 4. Morning window. Hydrate. Have your first glass of water with a pinch of Celtic sea salt or a dedicated mineral to replace those minerals lost during the night and to keep your energy and blood sugar steady. After that, you can enjoy black coffee or herbal tea. Move gently. A walk or stretch keeps you grounded. Step 5. Lean into the last few hours. When hunger rises, pause and breathe. You're not starving, your body's healing. How to break your fast. When you reach 24 hours, refeed carefully and focus on prebiotics, probiotics, and polyphenols. Okay, so what are these? Probiotics, suggestions, bone broth or sauerkraut, kimchi kefir or yogurt. All of these help repopulate your gut with healthy bacteria. Prebiotics, suggestions, asparagus, leeks, garlic, onions, or cooled potatoes. These feed those new bacteria and help them thrive. Polyphenols, suggestions, berries, olives, dark chocolate or green tea. These protect your gut microbes and lower inflammation. Together, these repair your gut lining, keep your microbiome balanced, and extend the benefits of your fast long after you eat. Suggestion to build your plate for that first meal. Bone broth or sauerkraut with some cooked veg, cooled potato, some olive oil, and have some lean protein, and then afterwards, why not some berries or a square of dark chocolate? Just before you take that first bite, pause, breathe, eat slowly and mindfully. Take a moment to acknowledge what you've just done. You've given your gut a full day of rest, activated repair at a cellular level, and supported your body's natural ability to heal. You may notice your energy feels different, steadier, clearer, lighter. That's your body responding with gratitude. You've done absolutely amazing. You're rebuilding trust with your body. And do remember, there's no such thing as a failed fast, only learning and healing. Well done, you. Frequency tip. You can do a 24-hour fast once a week or twice if it feels right for you. But do follow with a nourishment day, i.e. a non-fast day, which is rich in minerals, colour and whole foods. So in this video, I said I'd explain to you how to do a 24-hour fast to reset your gut. Now you know exactly how to do that. Why not let YouTube recommend my next video to watch to guide you even further?